Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nail guns available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, having the right nail gun can make all the difference in your projects. You can find product links in the description below, so let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Newmaster Pneumatic Brad Nailer, a budget-friendly option for those who want a versatile tool without breaking the bank. This nail gun offers a 2-in-1 design, allowing you to fire 18-gauge brad nails up to 2 inches and 1/4 inch crown staples up to 1 5/8 inches. It comes with a carrying case, safety glasses, and even 1,000 nails and staples to get you started right away. The build quality is surprisingly solid for the price, with a lightweight design and a rubber grip handle for comfort. Features like tool-free jam clearing, a nail staple view window, and 360 degrees rotatable exhaust add to its user-friendly appeal. However, it does require an air compressor, which isn't included, so keep that in mind if you don't already own one. This nail gun is perfect for DIYers tackling small-scale woodworking, furniture assembly, or home improvement projects. While it won't compete with premium models in terms of power or durability, its affordability and versatility make it a great choice for occasional use. Pros: budget-friendly, versatile 2-in-1 design, includes starter nails and staples. Cons: requires an air compressor, not ideal for heavy-duty tasks. At number 4, we have the Craftsman V20 Brad Nailer, a cordless option that eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges. With a 20-volt battery-powered motor, this nail gun can drive up to 420 nails per charge, making it ideal for small to medium-sized projects. It's perfect for users who value portability and convenience. The design is ergonomic, with a lightweight build and optimal center of gravity for balance and comfort during use. Features like tool-free jam clearing and stall settings enhance its user-friendliness, while the built-in belt hook adds convenience. However, note that this is a bare tool, meaning the battery and charger are sold separately. If you already own Craftsman V20 batteries, this could be a cost-effective addition to your toolkit. The Craftsman V20 Brad Nailer is excellent for trim work, picture framing, and other finish applications. While it may not match the power of pneumatic models, its cordless design makes it a great choice for quick, hassle-free jobs. Pros: cordless convenience, ergonomic design, no need for gas cartridges. Cons: battery and charger sold separately, limited power for heavy-duty tasks. Coming in at number 3 is the Milwaukee 274620 M18 Fuel Brad Nailer, a premium cordless option for professionals and serious DIYers. Powered by Milwaukee's PowerState brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence, this nail gun delivers unmatched firing speed and precision with zero ramp-up time. It's capable of consistently sinking nails to the proper depth in both hardwoods and softwoods, while leaving clean nail holes for a polished finish. The design leverages a nitrogen air spring mechanism for consistent performance and features tool-free drive depth adjustment for versatility. It's lightweight, well-balanced, and eliminates the need for gas cartridges, making it both eco-friendly and budget-friendly in the long run. However, similar to the Craftsman model, it's sold as a bare tool, meaning the battery and charger are additional purchases. This nail gun is perfect for professionals who need reliable performance for trim work, cabinetry, and more. While it's on the pricier side, its advanced features and high build quality make it worth the investment. Pros: excellent precision and speed, cordless design, tool-free adjustments. Cons: expensive, battery and charger not included. At number 2, we have the Metabo HPT NR90 AES1 Framing Nailer, a versatile pneumatic tool designed for heavy-duty tasks like flooring, framing, and roof decking. This nail gun accepts 21-degree plastic collated nails from 2 to 3.5 inches, making it perfect for professional-grade applications. With a selective actuation switch, you can easily toggle between sequential and contact nailing modes, weighing just 7.5 pounds. This nailer is lightweight and easy to maneuver, reducing user fatigue even during extended use. It also features toolless depth adjustment, allowing for precise countersinking or flush driving into various materials. Backed by Metabo HPT's 5-year warranty, this model has been rated the Pro Preferred Nailer by Builder and Developer magazine for 7 years running. The NR90 AES1 is a fantastic choice for contractors and experienced DIYers who need a reliable framing nailer. While it does require an air compressor, its performance and durability more than justify the investment. Pros: lightweight and powerful, toolless adjustments, long warranty. Cons: requires an air compressor, not suitable for smaller projects. Finally, at number 1, we have the Metabo HPT NV45 AB2 roofing nailer, the ultimate tool for professionals working on asphalt roofing shingles, insulation boards, and more. This heavy-duty pneumatic nailer drives up to 3 nails per second, making it one of the fastest and most efficient models on the market. Operating between 70 to 120 psi, it delivers consistent results, even in demanding conditions. The NV45 AB2 is lightweight at just 5.7 pounds and features a well-balanced design for ease of use. The side-loading magazine holds up to 120 nails and makes replenishment quick and hassle-free. With toolless depth adjustment and a pneumatic power feed system, this nail gun is built for precision and reliability. It's no surprise that Metabo HPT has been the pro-preferred brand of nailers for 11 years in a row. This roofing nailer is perfect for contractors who require top-tier performance and durability. While it's the most expensive option on our list, its efficiency and reliability make it worth the price for professional-grade work. Pros: exceptional speed and precision, durable build, toolless adjustments. Cons: high price point, specialized use case. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in choosing the right nail gun for your needs. If you liked this content, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.